Hey guys, we're back in another video, a jailbreak. So, just gonna take this guys. It's my dumb to just stand there. Oh no, it's not very dumb. So yeah, we just broke out pretty quick. The key card got guns. There's one way you can get another gun, and that's at the donut shop, guys. I wish if you got a paycheck or you can go into your bounty. Oh my god, oh. No. I'm arrested. get back in my pickup. Yeah, looks like I didn't record though. I really wanted to record, but I was just not do that to react. Sure, people are long textures and talking about the money. Now we have to collect all this money again. Because I'm gonna buy motorcycles. Yeah. Maybe either one of those Bugattis or yeah, probably a Lamborghini. People call it Lamb. Well, that's what my friend calls it, a lamb. I'll stand on top of his lamb, and he's like, "Get off the lamb!" Oh, I just thought this one. But I'm down the lamb. So guys, yeah, there's a gun right here that you can get. It's pretty cool. So yeah, just gonna get out here, and we are gonna just do this. So yeah, gonna do this, and yeah. Rob donut channel. I've got stuck right there. Now guys, let's do what I always told you last video. Like, I don't know when, but the last video, what I showed you this. Let's try to do it, guys. Been watching some magic. I want that. I want that for myself. I need that power. I need to feel that power. Hunter, find it. Find it now. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that happens, and I always grab the train first. I gotta do that. I'm 250 pounds. Don't rob. Don't get me. Now, when you rob, it'll say you have a fractured piece of coin. Then, when you find that, I'll show you what you do with the coin. We have to rob the jewelry, the bank, and the train. And then I'll show you what you do with those. If I get to do that this video, scroll and unlock. Grab the train. Say, move on, fractures. What now? Okay. Pick up. Because I'm in this is bad to pick up. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. Get ready for a jump. Can't get it up there. Question, where am I, guys? Good. Where am I? Oh my god, it followed me so far. I'm not. Oh my god. What happened there? What even happened there, guys? I just got flung so freaking far. Oh my god. Great job. Oh my god, I want to see what happened right there. I really wonder what happened there. That's go flying. Okay, so yeah, I have no flipping idea what happened there, guys. Let's go flying. Like, what the frick happened? Oh my god, dumb car. That's you guys. If you're the one watching this film, sorry. Why the freaking damn away? Why do you have to freaking damn away, man? Why do people have to damn away? Thank you. You can't damn away like that. I'm good. Someone's robbing the Jew right now. I don't even know how to get out of the Jew, guys. The Jew is so hard for me. It's like a maze. And some just how did that flipping get over there? How in the world, guys, did that get over there? That is so freaking... Oh my god! This guy's stupid. How do you not get money in a gas station? I freaking swear that you get money every day from gas station. Oh my god, really? Yeah, well, I want. Takes right. Oh my god, guys. I'm just. Oh my god, that's right. But that's it. Yeah, I think that's right. Sorry for you if my glitches don't work, but then I'm just bummed out. I mean, I'm swear, these are... I really wonder if you can break into these.